Eufy security video doorbell E340 has dual cameras. See what matters from door to floor. It's recording in 2K and no need subscription. It's recording on SIM card. It's included 8 gigabytes, but you can put as much you want. It's got color night vision, package guard, quick release battery, and it's face recognizable. So I purchased it from Amazon. I'll give you the Amazon site and the price. And now let's unpack the box. This is the camera. And it's coming with the battery and can be synchronized with the doorbell. 12 volts or 24 volts you have at the doorbell. Let's see what else is inside the box. This is the door mounting bracket. This is the cover. Now the angle, if you want to put it to an angle, the camera, the battery charger. If you connect it to the doorbell, you got two kinds of connections, you know. Those are with wire strippers, and these are with direct connection. And screws. And this is a key for, I believe, for the SIM card. Let's see what's inside here. Is the instruction. Quick start guide. Posting stickers. And over here is just a protection, you know, for the camera not to be scratched. So pretty much that's it in a box. Let's go and proceed to install the camera. Right now I have a Ring video security camera, but requires subscription. This one doesn't require any subscription. You got all the video recorded on the SIM card. You can take it out and put it in a computer. You can send it. You can do whatever you want. Save it on a big hard drive. It's up to you what you can do. The most important that I'm replacing the Ring doorbell because you have to subscribe so you can get the video. I can get the image, I can talk with the person, but it's not recording, it's just instant video. With this one you can do both, and no subscription, $0. So I'm gonna show you the installation now. Before installing, fully recharge the battery. Take out the battery and connect it to a charger. The battery is fully charged now. So I insert it top first and then down, and then go to the app, this one, and click plus, add a device, video doorbell, point the camera view towards the QR code. The QR code is right here. Connect with Wi-Fi. This is my network. I have to put the password. I put the password, the network, click next.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
And press the sync button. You hear it? Next. we will generate a QR code for Wi-Fi connection. Please use your doorbell to scan the code on your phone. Scan failed.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Setup was successful.
Okay, that's successful. Okay, I have the connection. Next. Please avoid using personal sensitive doorbell. Okay. Done. Confirm. Doorbell. Doorbell updating. Doorbell still updating. You have to remove the film so the camera can scan the code, the barcode. That was the problem. Online. Okay. So I'll go and install it. Put it on the doorbell. I already installed the support, and now I'm gonna put the doorbell. You have to align first the bottom now click it inside and remove the protection film. Now it's functional. Okay. So you can see, now you see. Got it. Here is the view from my front door. Here is the package, the down camera. This is the one up. It's direct connection, very sharp. Here shows you the package. Here shows you the doorbell. The front door, I mean. Okay. What noise are making? The camera has been installed. This is how it looks. Hello? Hello? That's it, it's working.